Hey YouTubers, today I'm doing a figure review on The Walking Dead Series 3 Apocalypse Zombie figure review. As you can tell, this figure was released ages ago, so I don't have the packaging, but he's really detailed. I really like the zombie, wish I had more zombies like the riot gear ones, but this one is pretty good. I mean, he's got the tie, which is all stained. He's got a real stained shirt, plus he's got a feature which I'll show you in a minute. He's got like really bloody hands, and his shoes and trousers are all bloodied up. I want to shoot. The face is probably good. That's another thing with these figures, they're hard to stand up. Hang on a second. There we go. He's a bit hard. There is his face. It is detailed as hell. And there's his outfit. But look at his face. Oh, he's got the hair with the beads. He's got the decayed look. And his clothes are all stained up. You can see his tie, he has a knife. There's his hands again. Trousers with the shoes, just trainers. And on the back of him, he's all stained with blood. And I did say he had a feature. God, he's hard to stand. Hang on. There we go. I did say he had a feature, and that is basically where his chest is. He has a knife there, because if I show you in a minute, his hole this is really cool. This piece, if I zoom out, no, not zoom out, but this whole piece is removable, and underneath it comes with two accessories. Hang on, sorry camera. It comes with a hand, and it comes with some meat, prey. And I'm going to show you a figure what he looks like without the shirt. Whoa. There we go. And here's the figure without the shirt, and he's even... oh, nasty. Look at that gore. Let's zoom out. Look at that, people. That is disgusting. All his guts. It's just a really cool figure. Articulation is ball joint neck, swivel shoulders, bend in yellow, swivel in the wrists, swivel in the hips, and a bend in the knee, and a swivel in the hips. I mean in the feet. Swivel in the feet. I think they might have other articulation, but I'm not sure. So yeah, this is a really good figure. Definitely recommend it. The knees are a bit loose, and he doesn't come with stand, so he sometimes falls over, which isn't that great. Look at him with all this gore. That's how a zombie should be. Really awesome. I give this figure probably 9 out of 10. He's a really good zombie. This is Walking Dead Autopsy zombie figure review. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and you can buy this figure at bigbadtoystore.com or any comic shops. So yeah, goodbye. Peace.